Good morning, students. Today we will discuss chapter 15, visualizing solid shapes. The first topic discussed here is plane figures. The circle, square, rectangle, quadrilateral and triangle are examples of plane figures. Plane figures are of two dimensions, 2D. Two-dimensional shapes means the shapes having only two dimensions, length and breadth. Solid shapes. The cube, cuboid, sphere, cylinder, cone and pyramid are examples of solid shapes. Solid shapes are of three dimensions, 3D. The three-dimensional shapes are the shapes having three dimensions, length, breadth, height or thickness. Here we discuss the terms vertices, edges, faces and net. Vertices. Corners of solid shapes are called the vertices of the solid shapes. Edges. The line segments of the skeleton of solid shapes are called the edges of the solid shapes. Faces. Flat surfaces of solid shapes are called their faces. Net. A net is a skeleton outline of a solid that can be folded to make it. We discuss the terms oblique sketch and isometric sketch. Oblique sketch. An oblique sketch does not have proportional lengths. Still, it conveys all important aspects of the appearance of the solid. Isometric sketch. An isometric sketch is drawn on an isometric dot paper. In an isometric sketch of the solid, the measurements are kept proportional, but in case of oblique sketch, the lengths are not proportional. Prism. A prism is a solid which has two identical top and bottom faces with their corresponding sides parallel. The other faces are rectangular. The shape of the prism is described by using the shape of the basis. It means that if the shape of basis, that is the shape of top and bottom face, is triangle, then that prism is called triangular prism. If the bases, that is top and bottom face, are rectangle, then the prism is rectangular prism. Similarly, if the base, that is top and bottom, are hexagon, then that prism is called hexagonal prism. Pyramid. A pyramid is a solid in which the vertices of one face, called base, are joined by the edges to one other vertex. The base is a polygon and all other faces are triangular. The shape of pyramid is described by using the shape of the base. That is, if the base is triangle, then pyramid is called triangular pyramid. If base is square, then pyramid is square pyramid. If base is hexagon, then pyramid is hexagonal pyramid. And so on. Question first. Match the following shapes with their names. Here there are 6 shapes which are drawn and 6 names are given, that is the name of the shapes. The first name given is A. Cone, B. Cube, C. Prism, D. Sphere, E. Cylinder, F. Pyramid. Now discuss the shapes one by one. Let us take the first shape. This shape is the shape of pyramid. There is triangle at the bottom and there is a vertex on the top, and all the faces are joined to that vertex. These faces are triangle. So it is a triangular pyramid. That is, it matches with pyramid. The second shape, it is the shape of cylinder. Now take the third figure. It is the shape of cube. Fourth, the fourth figure is the shape of a cone. Fifth, in fifth figure there are two triangles, one at bottom and one at the top. So this figure is a prism, that is triangular prism. Sixth figure represents a sphere. Question second. Identify the nets which can be folded to form a cube. The 6 nets are drawn here, but the nets in second, third, fourth and sixth part form cube. Question 3. What cross section is made in the flowing solids by a vertical cut, horizontal cut? The solids given here are A, a brick, B, a round apple, C, a die, D, a circular pipe, E, an ice cream cone, F, a square pyramid. Now first part is a brick. Vertical cut means cutting from top to bottom, and horizontal cut means cutting from left to right or right to left. So if we cut a brick vertically, then we will get a rectangle, and if we cut it horizontally, we will get a rectangle also. B, a round apple. In case of vertical cut, we will get circle, and in horizontal cut, we will get circle also. C, a die. In this we get square, both in case of vertical and horizontal cut. D, a circular pipe. In this we get a circle in case of vertical cut and a rectangle in case of vertical cut and circle in case of horizontal cut. E, an ice cream cone. In this we get a triangle in case of vertical cut and circle in case of horizontal cut. F, a square pyramid. In this we get a triangle in case of vertical cut and square in case of horizontal cut. Thanks, have a nice day.